Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. A while back I bought a Silvercrest rechargeable shaver from either Lidl or Aldi, I can't remember which store it was, and it's not holding its charge anymore. So I thought, oh no, I'll just go and buy myself a new shaver, and I got this newer version of the Silvercrest rechargeable shaver. But it's a problem because the new one, I didn't realise at the time, yes it's rechargeable, but you can only recharge it via a mains plug for 230 volt, whereas the original shaver runs or recharges from USB or a mains adapter, but you can't charge this one from USB. So I thought, well, the problem with the old one is it doesn't hold its charge very long, and it works okay, but it just self-discharges, and it doesn't last long when you're having a shave. So I thought I'd dismantle it and have a look inside, and lucky for me it does come apart. So you move the shaver head, which just snap fits in. The cover underneath is just two screws. When they're removed, one there and one there, which are these long ones. The rest of the case just prizes apart, and it's simple, just removing bit by bit. So this bit comes off like that. Then the chrome bit snaps off. It's got these little snap lugs here down the side so you can get it off, and you're left with that. Now, to get this apart, it's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. When that is unscrewed, it comes out like that, and you can see the battery. Now the battery is a Ronda lithium ion model number 14500 600 milliamp lithium ion battery. So I thought I'd buy a new battery because I can fit that in myself, and I bought the battery, but you can only buy 4, and this is lithium ion 14500, but it's 3 times the capacity almost, although it's the same physical size. So I'm going to change the battery and see how we go and see if it works. Now the battery came out okay. It just snipped with a pair of snips. So I snipped it that end, snipped it that end, and I'm going to solder the new battery. Well, that's the new battery fitted. So this is 600 milliamp battery, and this one is 1600 milliamp, almost 3 times the capacity. And just a matter of soldering a couple of solder joints, one each end of the battery. And the original battery had a piece of foam stuck in the middle, so I'm just going to find a bit of foam, and so it makes it more secure in the case. Okay, so that's a bit of foam put on the battery as it originally was. Just a matter of pulling it all back in its case. Now hopefully you can see the screws. There's 4 silver ones there. I'll just put them back in, and then I'm going to try and make sure it works. See if it works before I put the rest of the case on. Well, I've got the screws back in, and oops, it works. I haven't got the heads on yet, but put it back together now and put it on charge. And there we have it, fully charged. One Silvercrest or Silverline rechargeable USB shaver. fixed.